only for Pinkleaf or famous people. I think that's probably how he's made it. And that's his choice about rubbish. Rubbish owner. Trash. Probably made this game for money. I can say money. Because lots of YouTubers just donate thousands of pounds and wouldn't buy gravity coils and stuff. Just made it for them, like, and then they want to play games that are hard as well. And they can buy stuff. And same Pinkleaf is hard. He even beat Pinkleaf. Squid Magic and Pinkleaf are rivals. And Dynasted, if you have heard of him. All of them. Difficult. Bye guys. Hope you